We have many more to finish today.
Yes, but these are good quality beans.
The cooled roasted cocoa beans advance to the winnowing and grinding section of the processing facility, where they first pass through a cocoa bean. The cooled roasted cocoa beans advance to the winnowing and grinding section of the processing facility, where they first pass through a cocoa bean winnower.
The inspected in-shell peanuts enter an automated shelling machine complex that processes approximately 2 tons per hour.
A stream. Vanilla extract is added, then the melted fat component is poured in a steady stream. Finally, the noisy. The addition of flavor components begins. First, vanilla extract is added, then the melted fat component is
The operator performs a quality check, testing its texture by pressing it with a gloved finger to verify the correct.
The mixed chocolate now enters the conching process, arguably the most critical step in chocolate production for flavor development. The mixed chocolate now enters the conching process, arguably the most critical step in chocolate production for flavor development.
Following conching, the chocolate must be tempered to stabilize the cocoa butter crystals in the optimal crystalline form known as Form V or beta crystals.
The production of the actual Snickers bars begins at the forming line, where nougat and caramel are combined to create the bar center.
Before enrubing, the bar centers pass under a bottom coating station, where their undersides receive a thin layer of chocolate to seal the nougat base.
As each bar center passes over this curtain, the flowing chocolate coats its entire bottom surface.
The Snickers bar centers approach the main chocolate enrobing machine, a large automated system approximately 8 meters long and 3 meters wide.
For the standard 2-pack configuration, bars are paired by allowing them to accumulate slightly at a timing gate, then releasing them in pairs onto a downstream conveyor. A flow wrapping process is used.
Groups of 6 Snickers bars arranged in 2 rows of 3 approach the wrapping station.
A vertical fin sealer consisting of heated wheels creates a lengthwise seal. The package then passes